Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to design your own journal in Canva, the full 2025 guide. Whether you're completely new to Canva or already love creating in it, this tutorial will walk you through every step to craft a journal that's not only beautiful, but also completely yours. Let's jump right in. First, head over to canva.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see endless design options waiting for you. In the search bar at the top, type journal, and you'll instantly see a variety of ready-made templates pop up. These templates come in all kinds of styles: minimal, modern, playful, elegant. So take your time browsing through them. Think about the purpose of your journal. Is it for daily reflections, planning your goals, or maybe something creative like gratitude journaling? Let that intention guide your choice. Once you find a design that inspires you, click Customize this template. This is where the magic happens. Inside Canva's editor, everything is customizable: colors, fonts, images, and layouts. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try changing the color palette to match your vibe, replace background images with your own photos, or explore Canva's huge library of graphics and illustrations. A simple color or font change can completely transform the look and feel of your journal. Next, let's make it personal. Click on any text box and start typing your own headings, quotes, or daily prompts. You can easily adjust the font size, style, and color to create consistency across your pages. Canva gives you a huge range of fonts to play with, so this is your chance to add a personal or branded touch that feels truly unique. Once you're happy with the design, preview your pages and make sure everything looks cohesive and clean. Then, go ahead and download your journal. You can choose to print it out, bind it as a physical notebook, or keep it digital for note-taking on your tablet. And just like that, you've created your very own personalized journal in Canva. It's simple, creative, and honestly, a lot of fun once you get into it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Canva design tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of journal you're planning to create next. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.